We are pleased to show you the 2019 Tiguan. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, electronic parking brake, wheel locks, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, power brakes, braking assist, regenerative braking system. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, rear view camera, audio radio, touch screen display, audio, speed-sensitive volume control, footwell lights, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, multifunction display, child safety locks, one-touch windows, 4 airbags, passenger occupant sensing deactivation. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.